Could it be? Are Teespring actually watching my videos? I've got this huge smile on my face right now because, I mean, they're probably not watching my videos, but based on this email I just got, it actually sounds like they could be watching these videos and they could be reading your comment and they could be thinking to themselves, how can we improve as a company? So, hot off the press, I got this email from Katie. Katie from Teespring says, don't panic, edit instantly. You can now edit your listings. So, before I click learn more, let me just quickly ask you, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I love bringing you any content on Amazon, print on demand, making money online. And of course, please hit that like button, just because clearly it works. We're getting the attention of Teespring. This is huge. So, I click learn more, it's basically this. Let's discuss what Teespring have just announced, because I know it's something we all really want. So, the listing section, I'm sure you know, looks something like this, okay? And you can order product samples, you can edit your title, your price, you could do that beforehand, you could update the listing settings, you could view an individual listing's analytics, you can message customers of the listing. This is all the same kind of stuff. You can duplicate a listing, okay, cool. You can archive listings and remove them from your dashboard view, but not actually remove them from Teespring as a whole. It's very hard to fully delete a listing from Teespring's website. We're not bashing on Teespring in this video. This is good stuff. This is good work, Teespring. And you can relaunch ended listings to make products available for purchase. So, none of that sounds new. What have they done? Well, let's scroll down, okay? And let's look at the interesting things that they've done. You can edit, add, or remove designs in your current listings. Let me repeat that. You can edit, add, or remove designs in your current listings. This is huge. This is something you can do on Redbubble. This is something you can do on most platforms, and Teespring was severely lacking behind. And now they've finally come out and they said you can do it. So let's just watch this little video and we'll see. Go to listings on your dashboard. Click the edit icon. Scroll all the way down and you can click edit or add designs. This is so cool. And you can edit and you can go in and actually get rid of t-shirts, add t-shirts, change the design a bit, add or resize, replace. So if there's a spelling mistake, and it doesn't matter. It does not matter. If your listing is really high in the marketplace and you notice it has a spelling mistake, you can edit it on the fly. So, you've now watched that video. This is amazing. You can now completely edit and update your images on your designs if you really need to. So that begs the question, are Teespring watching these videos? They're probably not. Who am I kidding? There's no way Teespring are watching my YouTube videos. But if they are, hopefully they've listened. And I don't want them to watch this and think, they're completely out the water. They're out the deep end. They're not. There's still a lot of improvement Teespring need to make. Quality, customer service, shipping times and shipping price. All of these areas they need to still work on. Focusing on the customer is something they still need to work on. So yes, Teespring still have a lot of work to do. However, this is definitely a step in the right direction. So all I can say is share this video, comment tons of stuff, because clearly Teespring might actually be looking and adapting. So this is mad. I love it when a company sees their faults and tries to adapt to make themselves better. So well done, Teespring, for actually, I don't know if you looked at videos. I don't know. But well done for updating, certain things on your website to make it a better experience for us as the seller. Another thing that they've done, which I think they've brought back, is schedule an end date, but not just schedule an end date, but also show a timer on always available listings. This is a huge marketing tactic, because the amount of scarcity that one has, when they have a timer or an amount left or anything like that on a listing, it makes people buy so much more. So well done, Teespring, for trying to bring back higher converting sales pages like they used to. Because I remember, maybe they didn't get rid of it, but I wasn't able to find it. And I remember I I used to use that a lot when I first used Teespring, and it massively helped conversions on the Teespring sales page. Look, it looks something like this, right? It's just so good. It really gives people an incentive to go and buy it. So it really looks like what they're doing is they're going back to their old ways with a few better improvements, like editing your design and everything, but also the time, the scheduling, the timing, deleting your listings, being able to end the cycle immediately. All these different elements that they're reintroducing. Huge, absolutely huge. So well done, Teespring. I just want to make a quick update video and just let you know about these changes. And as well as that, if you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Hopefully Teespring are watching this and they still make improvements on the other problems that they have. But who knows? Either way, there's only one way to find out.